In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Check Point VPN on Mac. So first, download the Check Point VPN client, also called Endpoint Security VPN, from your company's IT portal or the official Check Point website. And once downloaded, just open up the installer and follow all the on-screen prompts to install it on your Mac. You may need to also allow permissions, and after installation, simply open the app and enter in your company's VPN server address. This is usually provided by your IT team. And also log in using your work credentials. This could be your username or password or a multi factor authentication. Then, once done, press the connect button. And once connected, you'll have secure access to your company's internal network. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!